All right, so this clearly has taken me forever and a day to record, but it's finally here. I'm gonna finally just get done with this, so there's no more asking questions. Even though it's not like a whole fan or like a whole group of women just asking me, but I just have the most simplest way of creating a wing eyeliner, and we're just gonna get right into it. Not even gonna talk your ear off. So two things you'll need. Wet and Wild Mega Liner. Boop, boop, boop. And this is Black Radiance. Is like all shaded off. But basically these are the best eyeliners that you could use. All those pen liners, they're not it. Those gel liners, they're not it. This is honestly the most simplest way for you to do your eyeliner. And my hands are greasy. We're gonna just get right into this. So I use Black Radiance because this is the most thinnest line that I've seen, which is like this. All I basically do, usually I go from the corner of my eyes or wherever I do my eyeshadow at for the most part. But it's just a quick straight line down. So see, I feel like that one is damped out, so I gotta dip her in the other one. And I just dirty the table. Is it right there? Don't worry about it. You gotta take off all the excess off that though, because if not, you're gonna be doing that liner and it's gonna look crazy. I'm trying to like look at the mirror and then be on the camera at the same damn time. But you just make a straight line down. After you make that straight line down, from wherever, you just go across and down. It doesn't even matter how you do it, shorty. Not at all. I'll finish this one before I get into the other one. So after you do that, this is clearly Wet and Wild. This is a thicker line. All you're doing is just filling it in. Oh, I almost blinked and killed my eye. You're just filling in what's inside. You're not even going on the outside of the line. None of that. And shorty, is we fleeky or is we not fleeky? Is it flying, shorty? That's all you need to do. It's simple. Honestly, you gotta realize though that we all have different eyes. So it's like if you could tell my hood is not so dented down. So you don't, if your hood is like all scrunched up and you barely have space on it, I'm gonna just show you a different way. You don't want to drag it as far, and you just do it shorter. Again, this is for the girls that they have little chinky ass. It's just two simple lines. You go out and then you go in and then you just fill it in. My front is usually hard because I be shaky, but trying to making it so fast. Because whatever gets dragged out is will get dragged out. See, shorty? That's how easy it is. You only need two things. Just your Wet and Wild. Honestly, the trick to this is just having a thin eyeliner, which you could just make your line with, and then just the thick one to basically fill in your insides. And that's about it, ladies.